Or not. Wow, I really like this lipstick. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So it feels like I haven't sat down and actually filmed a video in a really long time, and I know it's just because I filmed the ASMR one last week, but like, what are we doing here? I thought for today's, gosh, my bun is like massive. For today's video, I thought it might be fun to do a full face using my cheapest makeup products. I have some concerns because my cheapest makeup products are mostly like matte, which is not usually the look I go for, but we're gonna have a really matte face today, so just be prepared for that. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to get a full face for like $50, then just keep watching. Also, check out my nails. First time ever trying marbled nails using my Beetles gel polish that I'm always using, and I think they turned out pretty good. I do brows first all the time now, so I'm going to go ahead and do my brows first. So everything in this video is under $5 except for one product, which is my brow mascara. So for my brows, I'm going to be using the ELF Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Great brow pencil, only $2. Absolutely love it. And then my brow mascara is the NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Brow Setter. This is, I believe, $7. Alright, so I have my brow done. That part wasn't that hard for me. I'm going to do my other one off camera because I almost always use that product. So like, this is pretty basic, pretty normal for me. The challenge comes later. My brows are on. Now I'm going to moisturize my skin. For moisturizer slash primer, I use this as a primer even though it's a moisturizer. I'm going to be using the Formula 1006 Thirst No More moisturizer. This is one of my favorite primers to use. This is the travel size, but like, that's a pretty big travel size. It retails for $4. So I figured I could count this because it may be a travel size, but it's literally a huge travel size. It's like the same size as all my other moisturizers. So now for the part that I'm concerned about. My cheapest foundation is a matte foundation. I don't know if you guys remember me trying this on my channel, but it is the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. This is a very nice full coverage foundation, but it's matte, so I don't wear it a lot. I actually don't wear it a lot because I was sick when I filmed that video, and so now when I see this, it like makes me feel sick. Is that weird? I don't know. I have mine in the shade Porcelain. Or not? What? Ew! There's like a huge like chunk. I'm not feeling very good about this. This foundation retails for $4 and smells like Play-Doh, and I don't remember it smelling like that before. Now I'm getting a feeling that this has gone bad. I'm going to be blending that in with my Beaky blender. These come in a 5-pack for like $8, so definitely my cheapest sponge. Like, look at that coverage. The coverage on this foundation is great. Maybe I should just wear it more often. It's just, I'm not into matte foundations. I'm actually like wanting to try some more like BB creams and CC creams, so if you guys have any recommendations, please leave them down below. And if you want me to review them on my channel, let me know that too. Like, tell me what you'd like me to try, and then be like, hey, can you review it on your channel? It may be matte, but the coverage is really good. So, like, come on. For a $4 foundation, like, I was very impressed the first time I tried this. I haven't worn it a lot since then, but I am still fairly impressed by it. For concealer, I'm going to be using another LA Colors product. This is the LA Colors Conceal It Concealer. I actually use this one fairly often. It's a $2 concealer. At least I got it for $2 at Dollar General. I'm not actually sure how much it is like online and stuff, but it's just like the LA Girl one. Like, I'm pretty sure that's what they were trying to dupe. You know, it's got the tube packaging and it's got the little brush that you squeeze out the product. So I'm pretty sure that they were trying to like dupe the LA Girl one. See, like, that has really good coverage too. Like, for being LA Colors products that I just found at Dollar General, like, they're not bad quality at all. Like, they're good. Barely like that concealer. I don't use it all the time because I prefer my ELF Hydrating Camo Concealer, but I do like that one. It's creamy. It doesn't have like a completely matte finish. Like, it's not really dewy. It's kind of like a skin-like finish, and I just really like it. For powder, another Dollar General find, and I believe you can only find this brand at Dollar General. It is the Believe Beauty. I hate to sneeze. Okay, it's gone. The Believe Beauty Matte Blur Powder. I have it in translucent, but the translucent is very yellow, so I will warn you guys on that one. It will leave your skin with a slight yellowish tint to it. So if you have like pink undertones, I would not recommend getting the translucent one. It's so light, and honestly, I love the smell of it. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but it's fine. This has become the powder that I use every single day. I used to use the Airspun one all the time, but now I pretty much will only use this. I was surprised too. I just wanted to try it when I got more into loose powders, and now it's like the only one I use. I will occasionally use the KVD Vegan Beauty one, but not very often. And it's only $5 if you can find it at your Dollar General. I highly recommend. $5, and I've had this for a while, been using it every day, and I'm not even like halfway through the product. Alright, so on to bronzer. Now, I am using a discontinued bronzer. This was limited edition, but it's a Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. It is from the Fire and Ice collection, but they do still have other, you know, they have other ones. And the bronzers are $4. I'm not 100% sure how much this one was. I think it was $4. It's the Bronze Dynasty one. They do have other Color Icon bronzers, and when I run out of this, I'm definitely going to check those out. I've had this one forever. This is the first bronzer I got when I started my channel. So I kind of want to chat for a second, you know, let's just chat while I put on my bronzer. How many of you guys checked out my ASMR video? And like, what did you guys think? I was pleasantly surprised by the amount of people that seemed to really like that video. And it definitely makes me want to make it a regular thing on my channel. I was just so shocked by like how well my ASMR video did in the first 24 hours. It did extremely well, better than most of my videos. And I thought that was kind of crazy. On to blush. So for blush, I have Essence The Blush in the shade Blooming. I do actually really like this blush. I just used it the other day, but it is fairly matte. And it's only $3. And it does look so pale, but the color is actually beautiful, especially on my skin tone. I'm not really sure how much darker you could go with this color, but they do have more shades. For highlighter, we are going very old school on this one. It is the ELF Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. This was like one of my first highlighters ever, this exact same one, and like I did make a nice little dent on the top here. I've had this highlighter since I think before I started my channel, so a very long time. I used to wear this highlighter all the time, and I always loved the way my skin looked when I wore it. It just gave me this perfect glow, and love it. Now for setting spray, I almost always use my ELF Dewy Setting Mist. I don't ever use anything else. I absolutely love that. But it's $8. And my cheapest one is actually the Believe Beauty Makeup Perfecting Setting Spray. Again, Believe Beauty can be found at Dollar General. And like, this is okay. I used it for a while after I got it, but it's like not my favorite. Now the mist on this is incredible. Just watch. Don't see it doing anything really that great for my skin, and it definitely doesn't make it dewy, and I just prefer that dewy look. So for eyeshadow, I feel like you guys could just guess. I'm gonna zoom you in. Oh, that's out. For eyeshadow, I feel like it's kind of obvious, maybe not. The ELF Bite Size eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna be using the rose water one today, which is kind of ironic because I'm allergic to rose water. I think I've said that before. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be using it on my eyes. I'm actually only going to be using these two shades right here. These retail for $3. So a pretty good deal. Get like 3 or 4 of these and make your own eyeshadow palette, and then it would cost you less than like a normal eyeshadow palette. You could just find 3 or 4 of them that you really like the shades of. I have 2 of them. I have the rose water and then the cream and sugar. I'd like to get more. I'm looking to get more of them. I'm hoping they're going to keep coming out with more shades. Maybe like some all matte ones or some all shimmer ones. That would be super cool. I would love that. Oh, also, and like the foils in these are like to die for. Alright, so it may be a super simple eye look, but it's still an eye look. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the ELF Expert Liquid Liner. This used to be my absolute favorite. It's a really good one, and it's only $3, so pretty good one. I am going to go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera. You guys don't want to see me do my eyeliner. It takes a little while, and I have a tutorial up on how I do it. Although, recently, I've started doing it a little bit differently. Just a little bit. I don't go all the way in the corner anymore. I kind of start out here and go out, so that's the only thing that's changed. So before I do my mascara, I kind of want to share with you guys why I started not going all the way like in my corner. I didn't do a very good job today. I kind of made a little bit of a mess, but that's fine. This one looks a lot better. So the reason is, the other day, I did my eyeliner like way too thick right here, and you like couldn't even see my mascara, and I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, I need to start like not doing that. So now I just only go halfway in. So on to mascara. It is the Essence Lash Princess Fall Slash Effect Mascara. It is a mouthful, but it is a great mascara. I love this mascara. Mine is drying up. It's actually very extremely dry. It is only $5. I swear it used to be $4, but maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. But it is such a good mascara. This is like one of the best mascaras I've ever tried. And like the brush on it is so nice. It's long and it gets a little bit skinnier at the end. On to the last step, the lips. For lipstick today, I'm going to be taking the Essence Color Boost Mad About Matte in the shade Wanna Play. Honestly, if I wouldn't have done my eyeshadow, this would be super cute. Like, because the eyeshadow and this lip definitely do not match, but like, the lip's cute. This lipstick retails for $4, and honestly, if you haven't tried these, you so need to. They are such a nice formula for a matte lipstick. They're extremely lightweight. They are really matte and drying, but they're so lightweight, like you can't feel it. And also the doe foot is like so cool. It's like shaped kind of like an hourglass, but then it's like pointed. So nice, so easy, just like Essence, please just like sponsor me. I want to work with you because I love your products. They're amazing and affordable. So that is my makeup done. That is a full face makeup for I think $55. If that's what I totaled it out to be. I will have everything linked below like I normally do, except for the stuff that you have to get Dollar General, like the Believe Beauty. Wow, I really like this lipstick. Here is a close-up of the makeup. Let me turn my brightness down so you guys can like actually see. Does that help? Can you guys like see the makeup now? Honestly, none of these are really bad products. Not all of them work great for me, but they're all honestly really good products, and they're for such an affordable price. You guys should definitely go check out these products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I'd really appreciate that. I recently had a little boost in subscribers there the other day, and it was very exciting. It makes me feel very good, and like, thank you guys for being here. I'm very happy that you're here. I'm happy that you're watching. It makes me feel very good. I post new videos every single Saturday, and I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye!